Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Learn Math with Sayyid Ali. So today we have two questions. Translate triangle 2 unit left and 3 unit up. So we are given one triangle whose coordinates are given, and we learned in the lecture 1 about the coordinate systems. Now they want us to make a translation of certain figure, maybe a triangle or whatever geometrical figure is, parallelogram in the next question. And they are saying that this triangle moves 2 unit to the left. Left and right means x-axis. And 3 unit up means on the y-axis. So the procedure to solve this question is we have to keep an eye on x coordinate change and y coordinate change. And we know that x coordinate is always first. This is my x coordinate. So it has to move 2 unit to the left. That means left means minus, right? So that means now the new coordinate will be -2, and 3 unit up. That means 0 plus 3 is 3, right? So -2 and 3 will be my new coordinate. Let me check, let me put some name for it so that it is easy to talk about these coordinate. So now my a dash or the new coordinate will be -2 and 3. So again, keep an eye on what we have to do. 2 unit left means -3, -2. 2 unit left means minus. So -3, -2, which brings us -5, right? -4 is the y coordinate. We have to move 3 unit up. 3 unit up means +3. -4 plus 3 is -4 plus 3 is -1. Right? So we are generating new coordinate when it translate. How much it translate? 2 unit left, 3 unit up. Left means minus, up means plus. So we have to do to each coordinate 2 unit in the x coordinate. That means it has to be minus. Every time we deal with the x coordinate, we have to subtract 2, -2. And every time we deal with the y coordinate, we have to add up addition of 3 because it moves 3 unit up. So now let me check with C dash. 2 and 2 unit left. So 2 minus 2 becomes 0. -2 plus 3. -2 plus 3 is +1. So a simple integers which you need to add or subtract when you are given certain rule. So you have to go about it only with the same numbers, right? 2 unit left means -2. So you -2, 0 minus 2 is -2. And 3 unit up means +3 in the y coordinate. So +3, right? -3, 2 unit left, -3, -2 becomes -5, right? So this will be my new triangle. It can be asked in 2 different ways, right? Translate the triangle. So you can put the coordinate like this, which I draw, or they can make 2 triangles with certain numbers, right? 2 triangles with certain numbers and saying that this is the translation value, right? So what we can have here is -2, 3, 0, 1, and -5, -1, right? -2, 3, I will put here. So my C is this 0 and 1, right? And -5, -1. So this is my A selection and this is my B selection, but B coordinates are 2, 3, 4, 1, and -1, -1. So they can ask, okay, which is the correct translation of this triangle when you move 2 unit left, 3 unit up, right? 2 unit left, 3 unit up. So this one is wrong because he did something wrong here when he used to go 3 unit left means 0 minus 2. So your coordinate should be minus 2. And we already learned that how to get the translated coordinate, right? So we have translated coordinate first, and then we can select the correct picture. So who is correct here? We will say A is correct, B is wrong. Somebody did it like wrong here because the coordinate systems are not correctly subtracted as per direction. What is direction? 2 unit left, 3 unit up. 3 unit up means you have to add every time 3 in the y coordinate, and you have to subtract 2 unit in the x coordinate. So my new coordinate system for the triangle, translated triangle, will be minus 2, 3, minus 5, 1, and 0, 1, and I have that here, right? So now second question, translate 5 unit right. 5 unit right means plus 5, right? In the x coordinate, right? Left, right is x coordinate. 4 unit down, that means minus 4. So every time we have to see the coordinate system in the parallelogram, and we can name them maybe. So A, B, C, and D. This is my parallelogram. So my A dash translated system will be minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1. You are right, minus 1. And what to 4 minus 4? 0. So this is my correct coordinate system for the transformation or translation. Now B dash. 5 unit to the right means plus 5. Minus 2 plus 5 is plus 3. Right? And then 4 minus 4 is again 0. Right? So my B dash is this. C dash. So minus 4 plus 5. Minus 4 plus 5 is plus 1. Comma 0, 0. And what? 5 unit to the 4 unit to the left. 4 unit to the left. 0 minus 4. Minus 4. What is D dash? Minus 8 plus 5. So minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. 0 minus 4. So it's minus 4. So your new coordinate system or translated parallelogram will have the coordinate like this, minus 1, 0. And if he's asking that draw it, so you can draw this coordinate first and then this coordinates, and that those two figures are translated figures, right, of each other. But if you want to show, if the question is saying that, okay, I have two parallelogram of the coordinate system, and he's suggesting who is correct. So since you know how to get the correct coordinate system, so this is my A, where he's saying minus 1 and 8, 3 and 8, 1 and 4, and minus 3 and plus 4. This is his A selection. And then he's saying select the correct coordinate system. So we will see who is correct. So the other picture is like 3, 0, and minus 1, 0, and minus 3, minus 4, and 1, minus 4, right? So since you know the method how to get the correct coordinate for the translated figure, so you have the correct method, right? You every time move with the same 5 unit right, 4 unit down, and you have the new coordinate system. So it's easy to check who is correct here. So this one is correct here, right? So you just check it out, right? So that is your answer. So this question of the translation can be asked in any way. This is like this exercise, identifying the translation images, right? So if you have images translated by certain amount, you can figure it out who is or which is the correct translated figure, right? So this exercise, we can have more questions on it. So you must understand that the change of the value of coordinates in translation. So when there is a translation, you have given some certain changes, and then you have to change those values in the coordinate system. So left means minus, right means plus. 2 unit left, that means 2 you have to subtract. 2 unit right, that means 2 you need to add. 3 unit up, certain unit, whatever unit it says. So 3 unit up means 3 unit to be added. 3 unit down, that means 3 unit to be subtracted. So that is what is understanding to change the value of the coordinate system according to the translation what is given in the question. So hope you like the video. If you like it, press the bell icon button, share it with your loved one. Maybe they are looking for some educational material. So this topic is like cover 8th grade and 9th grade. This is lecture number 2 in coordinate system. We will have another lecture, lecture number 3 on this translation and coordinate system. So thank you for watching.